Hey guys, my name is Pranita or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you 3 basic ponytails you have to know. So let's get started. You have to make sure there are no knots in the hair. Take 2 rubber bands or elastic, whatever you say it, make a knot as shown and put a bobby pin in both the sides. So let's start with the high pony. It is supposed to be at the highest point of the head, which is our crown point. Comb your hairs properly for a neat look. Now make sure to tie the hairs very tightly as shown in the video. So now we will hide the rubber by taking a strand below the pony. The strand should not be thick and not too thin also. It should be enough to hide the rubber. Secure it with a U-pin. Try to use invisible U-pins or the smaller U-pins, but right now I don't have any of them, so I'm using the big normal U-pin. So our high ponytail is ready. So now let's start with the mid pony. Mid pony is supposed to be back of your ears. Now, some of you guys may say, what's new in this video? We already know how to make a ponytail. But I did this video for the beginners who need to know this ponytail as it is necessary for any basic hairstyles, which video I'll be uploading very soon. So now our second ponytail, which is mid pony, is ready. Now we will head towards the low pony. When we do a low pony, it is supposed to be at our occipital bone, which is at the lower part of our hair. But keep in mind, the pony should not be at the lowest point of our head, as if we are doing any hairstyle, it doesn't look good, and this hairstyle will be on your neck, not on your head. So try not to make the low pony as low as you could. Keep it a little upper. I did not increase the speed of this video because I want you to know how I hold the hair, how to tie hairs properly. Guys, do not use your mouth to open the bobby pins. It's not at all hygienic. These are the small things we really good need to maintain if we are doing any clients. So our third ponytail, that is low ponytail, is also ready. Guys, please like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.